Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video on Adam's Toyland. Today I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic platypus. This species of platypus is the duck-billed platypus. The duck-billed platypus lives in Australia along with the Tasmanian devil and the kangaroo. The platypus is one weird animal. The platypus looks like a cross between a duck, a beaver, and an otter. Platypuses are monotremes, a few mammals that lay eggs. The only other animal that is a monotreme like the platypus is the echidna, that also lives in Australia. A male platypus has a 5 millimeter long spur on the back of its hind legs. That spur contains venom that is powerful enough to kill a dog. The venom in the male platypus's spur is not powerful enough to kill people, but it does hurt a lot. Platypuses are bottom feeders. They are scooping up insects, larvae, shellfish, and worms from the river bottom with their duck-like bill to eat. To help eat their food, platypuses also scoop up bits of gravel and mud to help grind up their food so they can swallow it. The predators of the duck-billed platypus are goannas, eels, owls, eagles, hawks, spotted quolls, snakes, and water rats. More examples of the duck-billed platypus's predators are humans, dogs, foxes, infernal cats. In the animated show Phineas and Ferb, there is a character named Perry the Platypus. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic platypus a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like platypuses, mammals, Wild Republic, and unique animals. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below, and to subscribe, click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving platypuses. See you later. Bye.